Maing hapon yabay. So it's been a good day for me today. Not really good day, but nagka-testing ko ng Osmo Action, which is filming a lot of my top. Nagka-film ko ng Osmo Action 4, which is the new one today. I didn't get the combo, I just got the standard option because I don't need a lot of things. I just need it as it is. I may need battery for this. They're saying if we charge it in 20 minutes, it's gonna go like 80% of the power. So 80% of the power is very good for me. So pag swimming, tipid na lang yun. And plug na lang pa kasi naman siya fast charging. Plug na lang ako pa sa akong power bank, which should work in theory. And kung magpalit sa akong extra battery, it's tempting though. Tempting siya nga magkuha kong extra battery katong na case. Kaya batteries, charge siya ba na case, plug na anywhere, charge siya. You don't have to worry about your camera. The thing is, as of now, I'll try to be minimal and di na lang ako maggamit ng kwanza. I'm not gonna use that powering brick, the powering case, and I'm gonna try to use one battery pero mag power bank lang ta, plug lang ta sa kilid. And if it's gonna work good for me, I might just well use this most of the times. And then ang akong Action 3 ako to ibilin somewhere. Ako lang kita ko tiyan na nila. Anyway, see what's what. So yes, Decathlon's on the other side. And this is not the perfect camera. Ako ma-OCD po sa sound. So the sound is just good enough. It's not the best quality. But I'll see if kanang nindot ang iyang kanang quality when I'm using it. Because if it is, then might as well use this for my BISAYA vlog. Because it's easy. Just bring a camera in front of you. Just turn your face. Ano ba sa maliko? What are they waiting for? They're waiting for tomorrow? What the heck? They're doing a U-turn. Not. So, asan na itong Decathlon? Furniture. There's Decathlon. So, manulutag Decathlon. Here you go. We're gonna get 2 jackets. And that's it. Just gonna go through there. And, sugat pa rin tayo hinampak. Okay, so yes, updated na, but we're gonna go to the other side. So muna nahigam ko ba kay kanang ang akong first nga action camera kay katong sa live ta. libog ang tao. So ang akong usa ka camera kay katong Osmo Action 1, so which is the first. And ang nakakuan sa 1 is that old pa siya, and it's not really full on to low light. Also ang ihang field of view is not so wide. Pag-abot sa Action 2 nindot na siya ng field of view. Mas wider na siya, mas better. But yeah, it is what it is. Worried ako. So magtrabaho taron, manglimpyo, mag-unsa pa naga cheche mga ana muna akong buhaton. Malimpyo tas balay ba. And I hope nindot siya glow light. Okay, kung nindot siya glow light, nindot siya glow light. Nindot siya glow light. Atay. Anyway, muna siya. Ano ko yung mastorya Saman? Wala ko yung mastorya. All I'm thinking right now is Monday ugma, last day for me to prepare. And then by day after, Pilipinas na. Biyahe may gabi. So yeah, excited and confused because wala lang, excited lang kanang murag confused, excited and nervous di confused. Wala ako sa akong cellphone din siya kay pagkusag testing tani. Anyway, let's go. Mas makina no. Hear that? 1.4 ang makina ni, nalo siya turbo, and ang iyang tambutso kay nindot ko no. Anyway. So mana ang jackets, ang gaiters, na ako'y gaiters para sa tiil, pero I'm not sure if that will be satisfactory battery para sa farm work. Need to get some meds. Also need to get some Voltarens para sa among one medications, Voltarens and Travacoms. I'm gonna get some. Maybe I'll get some here. Sa Chemist Warehouse. Let's go. Something like that. So yeah, what ko sa quad scores being apart. Yeah, I'm gonna get some meds for me for the wala ko gahon-honahan nagsilaw og tabi meds, like medications for us to travel, like for headaches, for everything. Not naman sa Pilipinas, but it's best that we have our own, like the pain relievers. It's gonna be good, especially ang peel sakit. It's not 100%. So yes, I don't want to be blabbering more, but let's post this video. So kaning nga video musuksok sa siya sa ako ng one Fiji na ako nga video. Una siya sa kabay. I'm gonna be posted ahead kay baguhin camera niya at stingan. White kay suti mo skin na no. Yep. So that's it. Let's just hurry. I'm happy with the ones kaning bagong nga setupan. Happy ko sa bagong peripherals kasi pwede siya inana lang. Pwede po siya pa iparog do paana. And pwede na kanihang kanang para pilit. It's quick. Gamay ra kay siya kanang pakita Basta gamay ra kay siya nga gadget. But the thing is it works. Pilit ra dito so ang kanang camera sa babaw, pwede na matangtang anytime. It's tiny, madaling usod sa bag. Itong sa GoPro sa una kay mga mounts, it was good then. It was revolutionary then, but it never changed. Kani sila kay una na sila plagpuan na ng GoPro. Una kuya ka sa mga kuan pa sa kuning ilahang selfie stick which is here. Kamay kayo. Awa. Nya murag inani ra ba? Papilit na mo dihang camera, matangtang ni mo anytime. We can transfer it anywhere. So that's awesome. Yes, that's it. Liko tangari nata kita lang nan di man 360 camera ang ipalit kay 360 camera hindi ko ganahan sa low light, hindi ko ganahan sa color, so kani siya liko na tong ari. Liko ta. Liko tong ari police pa di ay. Police yung man na nila sa kanang Chemist Warehouse na Chemist Warehouse sa unahan niya. Kanang Chemist Warehouse butika na siya diri. Ano siya? Yung butika. Tayan ay pag-ibig kalusot pwede na tayo mimliko nga rin ba niya di ba na kumakanang switch ang camera screen switch hindi siya screen switch 5 minutes na dali away kaya next na tawag kuhan pas atong nga video natin inuras ang gawa sa itong video niya yung inani style okay, so liko na ko ni stang hinayas mga hinampak deep later tara sulod na rin palintag ka ng fumble for us to travel Capacom sa itong park yan so for now okay for now pagkasusod din sa kanya niya kanang story na balik ko niya guys stop recording. Okay, now where is my screen? Okay, yes sa unto padaro ng auto niya muli na ta kay adto tangan to magtiwas sa balay ano ni siyang charge. There you go. Akong glasses kay butaman ta. Okay, and we're heading home. Baking tagamay. Oh shit. So yeah, finally uli na yung tinood. And yes, so it's getting dark. I don't know it's gonna come out of the video right now. English no. Mula ko mula. Suka sa likod sa auto sa front. Okay, let's go. Okay ba? Mura mag-usok ako sa masakyanan. 1.4 engine with a crazy confused tranny. So yeah, it's confused. Actually really confused. So yeah, first things first, igabot ng Pilipinas, sumi ka ng Davao. We're just gonna go there as a farm sa Daddy Laura. We're gonna spend maybe two weeks there. So yeah, we're gonna embrace the Filipino heat. Let's see how we go. And then after dito, we're gonna go to Cebu. But in between, we're gonna go to Siargao. I've been to Siargao, but si Laura wala pa. So it's gonna be interesting. And as what I've said, I'm just gonna be bringing one battery for this. I'm contemplating of bringing my kanang A1 for photos, but I want to bring the A7 IV instead because for travel. So I don't know. Kung mag picture man lang ko, I think okay naman tingay ang A7 IV. I'm still thinking about it, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna leave ang uban akong gears sa akong kauban. So he's just gonna take care of my stuff, my camera gears. So that's why I need to pack up tonight. Tonight dapat pack up na ko. So today is Sunday, napakoy Monday ugma, and we leave at Tuesday evening. So Tuesday sa hapon manggikan mi pa for airport, which is gonna be a bit of traffic. Yes, okay, tuyok lang yung taon. Hindi na rin yung taon ko kahulat nga. Tuyukon ko niya. Okay, yes. So, yeah, it's interesting because 10 years na kung wala ka uli. I left the Philippines pagka January or February matingali 2013. So today is 2023, so exactly 10 years. Taga na kayo nausab. Pandemic pa. Lost a lot of friends and everyone else, and stop that kay mapanggaan tang array. So yeah, but definitely pretty excited of how everything's gonna go, and yeah, that's it. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna drive home and I'm gonna upload this video. No, I don't know if I'm gonna have more videos just to test this camera out, but back to regular programming after this. So yeah, see ya guys. So yeah, let's end the video here. I just got home and I'm using it with my light, which is that, and bit of lighting at the back, but tungod kay wide kay siya, mura siya dahimong gamay akong light, mura siya gamay, pero something a field of view. Di warp man siya, it should be fine. But yeah, this is how it looked, and yeah, this is how it looked. Let's check out if atong is set to wide view. Okay, so mo gini siya ang wide view. Inani siya ka wide ang wide view, kay wide man siya nga view, but ako kisag akong tiyan. But anyway, kung wala ka mag-adventure ka, should be alright. May plastic din nga. Buti nga lang kung ano yung stick of plastic. But that should be it. So, yeah, nani siya ka-wide. Awesome. And pwede sa siya inani, kanang magkuan ka, mag-webcam ka. Kanila siya gamito ni mo. Pero ako lang sakto-saktong light kasi I'm gonna pull it in post. So, yun na, type ka. Chat, grabe ka-wide. Grabe ka-wide ang webcam mo. Muna dyan Sige, dito na tanin niya atong tananog ka ng maayo ba or di maayo ang kuha.